To install the top course or final panel in a wall, use the same technique that you use for going under windows and doors. That is, install a receiving channel, in this case underneath your eaves or overhangs, and then measure from inside that channel down to the lock to see how tall the panel needs to be. And it's a good idea to measure in several places. Subtract about 3/8 to 1/2 of an inch from that measurement. Once you've ripped the panel down, you can use the section that you removed, or the nail hem section, as a shim inside the channel to give the final panel some support. If you do this, we do recommend that the face of this shim be no more than 1 to 1.25 inches or so. That'll give plenty of firm support for that last panel. Just install your shim up inside the channel and, of course, fasten it into place. Then install the final panel. You can, if you like, run a bead of flexible sealant right along that cut edge of the panel prior to the installation. Then place the cut edge of that panel in between your shim and the back side, the face of that channel. Push all the way up, and then with a kind of a downward motion, tap the panel down until the lock is fully engaged.